Hi everyone, and it is Play-Doh time. So we are going to do a Play-Doh activity with shapes today. So what you need is your Play-Doh, and this is still the same Play-Doh from the recipe that I made, and either paper or some cardboard from maybe a cereal box or an empty box that you finished the food item that it was in, and a marker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some shapes on the cardboard. There's a triangle. Maybe I'll do a couple little circles. Maybe a big rectangle on this one. And maybe a little square. All right, so once you've drawn your shapes, this is when you get to have some fun. So I'm going to use one at a time. And basically what we're going to do is try to make those shapes with our Play-Doh. So the first way I'm going to try and do it is by rolling some long snakes. And then I'm going to try and wrap the Play-Doh around the shape. So I'm going to try the triangle first. One side, bend, two sides, bend, three sides. I made a triangle. There it is. Another way that you can do it, and this really works your pointer finger pincer grasp, is to take pieces of the Play-Doh off and stick them on the line. So pinch and press, 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 pinch and press. And if you really want to practice this pincer grasp motion, you can fill the whole shape. So after you've done the outline, you can also put the Play-Doh on the inside of the shape so that you have this cool textured triangle. Pinch, pinch, pinch. If you have two different colored Play-Doh blobs, you can maybe change the color of the inside to a different color, or you could do a rainbow triangle if you want. And then push it down, and there I have my cool textured triangle. A way that I can do these small circles is by rolling into a sphere, which is a 3D circle, and then pushing the Play-Doh down. I'll try that one more time. I'm gonna roll the ball using the palms of my hands. Roll, 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 stop. Put the ball in the circle and push. There we go. And now if we want to do the rectangle, maybe I'll do it with small snakes instead of one large snake. So I'm going to do one snake for the top. That's one side. Going to do one snake for the side. Another snake for the bottom. I'm just going to squish it. Roll, 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 roll. Is that the right size? A little bit longer. And stick it there. And one more snake for the other side. And there we go. And now you could even take this apart and see, these two sides are the same, and these two sides are the same. So a rectangle has two long sides and two short sides, and they go together like that. All right, the last thing I'm going to show you is this square. So this is a different way to build this shape. I'm going to make another large ball. I'm going to push it down. But if I look at that, that doesn't really look like a square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my fingers to push the sides of my ball in so that they are on that line. Push, 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 push. This one's probably the hardest way to build a shape out of Play-Doh. And now I can see that black line showing through. Whoops. And there's my square made out of Play-Doh. I hope you have lots of fun with this at home.